So good morning students. Chapter Area of Parallelograms and Triangles, that is sum number 5 of exercise 9.2. In this question, PQRS and ABRS are two parallelograms and X is any point on the side BR. So we have to prove that one. First, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS. And number 2, area of triangle AXS is equal to half of the area of parallelogram PQRS. So these two things you have to prove from this figure. Now see, given PQRS and ABRS are two parallelograms and X is any point on the side BR. So to prove number 1, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS. Number 2, area of triangle AXS equal to half of area of parallelogram PQRS. So these two things you have to prove from this figure. Now prove PQRS and ABRS, these two parallelograms lie on base RS and parallels PB and RS. Therefore, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS. The reason parallelograms lie on same base and between same parallels are equal in area. When parallelograms lie on same base and between same parallels, then their areas are equal. So you have to prove in one So right here, put. Now in number 2, triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS lie on base AS and panels AS and BR. Therefore, area of triangle AXS is half area of parallelogram ABRS. Triangle and parallelogram when lie on same base and between same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. When triangle and the parallelogram lie on same base and between same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. That reason is written here. So take that, write that one. So area of triangle AXS is equal to half area of parallelogram PQRS from 1. This from 1 area parallelogram PQRS is equal to area parallelogram ABRS. Here that is written ABRS. So in place of parallelogram ABRS we can write parallelogram PQRS. That is written here. And which you have to prove, that is given in to prove. So you got that one. So write here prove. Now in question number 6, the question is, a farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram. She took any point A on one side and joined it to two points. In how many parts the field is divided? That you have to give the answer. What are the shapes of these parts? The farmer wants to sow wheat and pulses in equal portions of the field separately. Then how should she do it? So first you go to the figure. The farmer having a field, a shape of parallelogram. First we draw a parallelogram. PQRS, where she took a point A on RS. On RS she took a point A and joined it to the points P and Q. She joined P and Q to this point A. Now in how many parts the field is divided? What are the shapes of these three parts? And show width and passes in equal portion. How should she show this one? Now she shall use the field is as divided into three parts. And these three parts are triangle APS, another is triangle APQ, and third one is AQR. So we divided this field into three parts, and the parts are APS and APQ and AQR. Triangle APQ and parallelogram PQRS lie on base PQ and parallels PQ and RS. Therefore, area of triangle APQ is half area of parallelogram PQRS. As we know that when a triangle and a parallelogram lie on same base and between same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Due to that reason, you can write according to this figure, area of triangle APQ is half the area of parallelogram PQRS. Now, in which field? Now the question is, what are the shapes of these three parts? The farmer wants to show wheat and pulses equal portion separately. So the farmer one part in triangle APQ and other crop in triangle ASP and triangle ARQ. So in this way we will show the crop. One crop is in this area and another crop these two areas. Now theorem, two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. This is the theorem. So first given two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PBC on the same base. Both are lie on BC, so same base BC, and between the parallels BC and AP to prove area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. This you have to prove that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. Construction, draw CD parallel to AB and CR that is parallel to BP such that D and R, this D and R lie on AR. Draw CD parallel to AB and CR parallel to BP such that D and R lie on AR. So prove parallelograms AB, CD and PB, CR on same base BC and between parallels that is BC and AR, BC and AR. So these two parallelograms ABCD and BBC are on same base BC and between parallels BC and AR. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBCR, as we know that when parallelogram lies on same base and between same parallels, then these two parallelograms are equal in area. Number 1, a diagonal divides a parallelogram into two equal areas of triangles. That means in a parallelogram, the diagonal divides it into two equal areas of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is 1/2 area of parallelogram ABCD. ABC and ADC. AC divides it into two equal parts. That means one part is half of the total, that is half of area parallelogram ABCD. This one too. Similarly, area of triangle PBC, this one PBC is 1/2 area of parallelogram PBCR. This one PBC is half of PBCR, as CP is the diagonal divides PBCR, this parallelogram, into two equal parts. So one part is half of the total. So take that one, 3. So from 1, 2 and 3. One is area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram PBCR. Second is area triangle ABC, half of area parallelogram ABCD. Third one, area PBC, half area parallelogram PBCR. So these two parts are equal to each other, which we prove in 1. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, area of triangle PBC is equal to area triangle ABC, which we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. So group